Hi you guys, it's Lynnea. Today I have a super quick autumn themed project using some iCrafter goodies. I have the Leaves Are Falling stamp set and the Dashed Circles flip die set. Now I'm not actually going to be making a flip card, but I wanted to use this pierced circle that's in the center of this die. So I ran that through my die cutting machine from white cardstock, and you can see there that because this is a flip card, it only actually cuts out half of the circle. So all I'm going to do is rotate this die 180 degrees, pop that back in place. It'll fit right in like a puzzle piece because those little pierced circles, or I guess they're actually like little circle cutouts, they'll grab onto the die like a puzzle. So now I have a completed circle cutout, and I'm going to stamp a maple leaf from the Leaves Are Falling stamp set in the center. You're going to see that in the end I do end up changing this, but it's the same simple process. I'm going to stamp it with a dark brown ink, and there it is in the center of my pierced circle cutout, die cut. Okay, so I'm going back to the Leaves Are Falling stamp set. And all I'm going to do is just arrange a bunch of these all across a piece of dark brown cardstock, and I'm going to stamp them with a watermark ink, not doing any heat embossing, just leaving it just like that. Here's where you can see I kind of changed things up a little bit. I went back and stamped that maple leaf again using a circle cutout piece from the Dashed Circle flip die set, but this time it's just a regular circle, and then I can layer that onto this fancy circle die cut. I went ahead and blended some ink onto that fancy circle die cut, and now I'm going to blend some more onto the background of this little maple leaf die cut circle. I colored that with Copics. It was really easy to color. You could color this leaf all one color, but I decided to do 4 different colors and really make this a super pretty fall maple leaf. I'm just going to blend some ink here. I'm using the iBlend blender brushes. These are perfect for adding color to small areas like this. Then I went back to that Leaves Are Falling stamp set. I stamped out a sentiment, cut that into a strip, and I'm just going to layer everything together on this top center of my card. And that finishes this easy autumn card, and this is great for masculine cards too. Thanks guys for joining me again today. I'll see you next time. Bye!